Cases of possibilities, like the first says one asset increases and there is a decrease in another asset. One asset decreases, another asset increases. One liability increases and other liability decreases. One liability decreases, other liability decreases. An asset increases, liability also increases. An asset decreases, liability also decreases. So let's look into this one by one. One asset increases, then there is a corresponding decrease in the asset. How is it possible? Just an example. If you purchase a furniture in cash, so if furniture is purchased, your asset gets debited because furniture is an asset. Assets increased. Whereas you purchase a furniture by paying cash, so cash is also an asset, but it gets reduced. So this is an example to understand the if how it happens कि one asset is increasing, correspondingly there is a decrease in another asset. If you purchase a furniture in cash, your furniture and cash both are assets, but one asset is increasing, furniture as it's purchased, and you are paying it by you are paying through cash, so your cash, which is an asset, gets reduced. One asset decreases and other asset increases. Just if you sell the furniture in cash, so in this case your furniture gets reduced because you are selling it out, and you will get cash instead of selling, so your asset in the form of cash is increased. Now one liability increases and other liability decreases. Say for if your bills payable is dishonored. In that case, your bills payable which is dishonored will be debited and your creditors will get increased. One liability decreases and other liability increases. Here, what happens? One liability decreases and other liability increases. Like you made the creditors to pay, you made the creditors paid by accepting bills payable. So here creditors will decrease and bills payable increase because your creditors are being paid by bills payable. That's why. Then it is possible, like in this case, an assets increases and liability also increases. In this case, you can take an example, like say for purchased a furniture on credit, so here furniture gets increased, and since you have purchased the furniture on credit, your creditors gets also increased. Just opposite, if you sell the furniture on credit, your furniture gets reduced and your debtor will get on credit. You purchased an asset decreases and liability also decreases. Here you can think it like this, like if you paid a cash to the creditors. Now yes, this example will suits this. If you paid a cash to the creditor, like your cash gets reduced, and since you paid the creditor, your liability also gets reduced. So these are the few cases of possibilities.